are going to tell you today 5 insider secrets that will get you ahead of 97% of people. Most people who dream big take a leap of faith and fall right back to where they started. Those who actually make it, they have built these 5 bulletproof habits to guarantee succeed. Are you implementing them? Listen to this carefully. Growth mindset. Most people are stuck in a vicious cycle. They believe someone will fix their problems. Everything happens to them. Nothing is their fault. Drop this victim mentality. To rise above, 97% of people do this instead. Develop a growth mindset. Always strive for improvement, even if it is 1% better each day. Set goals, read books, learn new skills, refine your current skills. Your success begins with your improvement. Live a healthy lifestyle. Find a joy in the process. Working purely for reward can 10x the difficulty. The solution: enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, celebrate small wins, learn from mistakes. The end result is only 5% of the journey. The other 95% are the steps you take to achieve it. Take time each day to find a joy. The sales call, the client meetings, and slow going work hours all contribute to your success. You will look back one day and be grateful for them. So why not to be grateful for them now? So be grateful, have a gratitude, always carry a gratitude. Break down your goals. Need a quick shot of motivation. Accomplish a worthwhile goal. Achieving goal gives you dopamine hits, making you feel invincible. But what if your goals are too big to accomplish today? If your goals are too big to accomplish, break them into manageable tasks. Rank them by priority. Execute daily. Small wins stack momentum. Your big goals take time. Give yourself a win today. Embrace hard work. 97% of people won't do hard work, giving you a window of opportunity. By doing the hard things most people won't, you gain an insane advantage. Think of all the things people refuse to do. 97% of people will never do these hard things. Run a marathon, start a business, speak in front of 10,000 people, run an investment portfolio, say no to the ice cream. But once you see the benefits, you will deeply appreciate the effort you put it. The real cheat code is here. Realizing that no task is actually hard. What's difficult today will be easy tomorrow. Get ahead of the competition by learning to do the hard stuff now. Invest in an easy future. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.